Stop scrolling right now. If you've been looking for the absolute best item online, Hold Second's hidden gem is shockingly good at what it does. Everyone is talking about it lately because it works exactly as advertised. When you first try it out, you will instantly notice how reliable and sturdy it actually feels. It completely outclasses older models in the industry. The main benefit is that it solves an annoying problem, which is why thousands of global shoppers have given it perfect ratings. You don't have to deal with cheap, low-quality alternatives anymore. This unit is truly engineered to last and delivers exactly what you need. Trust me, you do not low-key want to miss out on this deal right this second. Stop scrolling right now. If you've been looking for the absolute best item online, Hold Second